Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, today I'm just gonna do a quick message for somebody. I don't know who it's for, but once again, God is pushing me out there to have a message for somebody. So if you're seeing this message and you come across it, this message is 100% for you. Now I hope you guys can hear me clearly because I'm outside and it's a little bit windy, but nonetheless we can go along with it. Now, for the last couple of days I've just been hearing the word move. Now, if you're somebody that God has been sending you signs, synchronicities, messages, whatever it may be, to move and do something, right? It could be simple as moving places. It could be simple as starting a different business, starting YouTube, doing something like that. Then you need to move, right? You need to make those first steps and actually start moving. Regardless of how it feels, you might feel weird, you might feel anxious, you might feel a whole bunch of different feelings. But here's the thing, if God already confirmed it for you, there's nothing for you to worry about. That means He's already aligned everything for you, put everything in position for you to achieve all those goals that you're setting out to achieve. Same like me walking and recording this message right now, it's a bit awkward for me because people are walking past me, staring at me and smiling or laughing. But at the same time, I know that I'm on a mission. God is asking me to put out this message and I need to get the message out because He told me to move, to take those steps. So I'm saying the same thing to you today. Get up, make those moves, whatever that might be that God is out there saying, hey, listen, I need you to do it, because at the end of the day, we're all connected in this world. So if God is asking you to make certain steps, it's because He knows there's somebody else out there that needs what you're doing. Maybe you need to tell your story. There's somebody out there that needs to hear your story, right? Somebody out there needs to learn from it. Somebody out there needs something from it. Maybe it's to start a business. Somebody out there needs your products. Somebody needs your services, right? So you want to get up and you want to start taking those steps today. Don't wait any longer, right? Same as if God said, okay, I need you to go over here. I need you to do this. And you're already starting on this journey and things start getting rocky, you know? Things start getting crazy for you. And you're like, wait, no man, this doesn't feel right? Hold firm to that because God is already putting things in place for you. Don't stop moving. You can rest, but don't quit. Don't give up. Continue on your journey because God has already set you on this path and He's already put things in place to allow you to win, to allow you to be successful. Because remember, whatever you're going through, whatever you're dealing with, at the end of the day, God did not bring you this far just to leave you, right? He didn't bring you this far to leave you. He didn't put you through all these growing pains and all these lessons and all these tests for you to grow and to get stronger and to be better just to leave you. Because remember, He's got to test you, right? He's got to make sure you have the right skills that you need to move forward. He's got to make sure that you have the strength, the thick skin, all of that to make it and do what He's asking you to move. So keep moving, right? Don't stop, don't quit. Don't because you see Pam over across the street not doing it and she living this particular life, you think it's for you. Listen, God needs you. He needs you to get up, dust yourself off and get moving. No, at no point in time did they ever say life was going to be easy. At no point. So you have to remember, when God gives you messages, dreams, visions, whatever it may be, however you have that communication and that connection with God and your spirituality, and He's giving you that message like, move, do this, do that, start on that journey, right? Because He's already put everything in place for you. Same like they always say, if God says start a business that that you're passionate about and you're using your skills to help others, you're working on earth as a vessel on behalf of God, He's going to put everything in place for you. Whether you need this license, or you need this type of store location, or you need this amount of clients monthly, whatever it may be, God is going to align everything, for you. So get on that journey, right? Don't stop. Same like me being out here, honestly, it is cold. But I said God's been telling to move, and I know I've been indoors for days. So I'm like, I gotta get up and move because God needs me to move, circulate. He needs me to see things out here. There's certain conversations that we need to have. So lots of times when God is telling you to move and get up, because He needs you. You are needed and you're worthy. Right? Maybe you're feeling like you can't do it. Him tell you to do a particular thing and you're feeling less than. You're feeling like, you don't have what it takes. But trust me, you do. Because if He's called you, that means you got it. Right? That means even if you feel like you don't have it or you don't see it in your life currently, He's putting it all together for you to make it possible. Because again, we are a vessel here on earth doing God's work. We're not here, as I like to say, just to pay bills and just to do all that stuff. We're here to do His work. That's how we help others. That's how God does His work here. It's not Him physically coming down here and doing anything. He works through us for others, right? So you have to get up and know that, listen, God is calling you because there's things and movements He needs to take, steps He needs you to take to help other people around the world. Listen, I don't know who this is for, but get up and move, right? Get up and take those steps, whatever those steps are. Maybe He's been telling you, to write your life story, and you're there, you're itching, I can't write, I can't do this. And listen, you have everything you need right now to make your first step. Everything. Maybe you're saying, okay, I want to start doing YouTube, but my house isn't as aesthetic as most of these YouTubers' homes are. That doesn't matter. You already have everything in your home to start moving, to start creating that first video. It won't look pleasing and as pretty as everybody else, but it'll be real. It'll be authentic. And there are people out there that needs that authenticity. There are people out there that needs to hear you. There are people out there that need to see you, right? So get up and move. Oh my gosh, get up and move. Get up and take that first step, right? Don't sit there and cower and be scared. I can understand the fears. I can understand the concerns. Because I've been there. And anybody will tell you that we all have it. We're all humans, right? But you have to realize that we're here doing God's work. So if me start doing these messages, it's a bit, I don't know how to explain it. Just not my regular thing. Not what I thought I'd be doing on YouTube at all. But here I am doing it because I feel like I'm being called to do it. I feel like I'm being called to put out some of these messages when I get these thoughts. So for whoever you are, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whatever you're going through, right? First and foremost, God hasn't left you. He hasn't forsaken you. He is with you through every step and every way, every path that you're on. And He's going to give you with everything, if you've not already done that, for you to start making those steps. And as you continue to make those steps, you'll realize more and more things open for you, more and more doors open, more and more possibilities happen for you once you start making those steps and start moving forward. Because as you continue going and walking by faith, because that is required utmost for you to walk by faith, right? On this path, there are a lot of times you're not going to know where you're going or what you're doing, right? Or how it's going to turn out. But you just know God said, listen, you need to do that. And each time He keeps bringing it up, you keep being drawn to it, and He will go closer to it and He'll pull back. Keep going. He's there with you. All right? So as you can see, all these people looking at me out here recording this video. Listen, after that man just turned around right now, I don't feel awkward no more. And the main reason for that is that I know somebody needs to hear it, and regardless of how I am feeling or how I may feel awkward or how people might look at me weird, like what's she doing? What's she talking to herself? I don't care, because I'm over here working for God, and God needs me to do this regardless of whatever is going on around me, regardless of my fears and all that stuff, right? So once again, whoever you are, get up and move. God needs you to get moving. God needs you to get going. God needs you to take that first step, right? And each step you take, He'll continue lighting the way for you, because He did not bring you this far just to leave you. So get up and get moving. God needs you to do it. All right? Until next time, guys. Bye.